Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, friends, professionals, officials, doctors and ministers, and the persons belongs to media, journalist, editor, all around the world, those who are listening. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Our today's topic is on advertisements. Advertisements are the indispensable part of modern commerce and trade. But it is a matter of sorrow that all the advertisements are not good. Nowadays, in social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Internet, Google, in all these social sites, we see there are different types of advertisements which influence our society and nation. These days are the days of marketing. They say that through your marketing techniques, you can sell a pair of combs even to a bald. These are the techniques of advertising which aim at popularizing a product. Advertisement has acquired an unprecedented importance due to audiovisual means of information and entertainment. They inform the people about new products, their uses, merits and superiority over other similar products available in the market. Advertisement is the backbone of modern commerce and industry. No businessman or industrialist can ever hope of tapping the market without proper advertisement. They have advantages and disadvantages. Advertisements are the best way to educate the people. Many advertisements by the government agencies, NGOs and social welfare organizations have a great value in educating the illiterate and semi-literate people. Advertisements regarding AIDS, pulse polio, malaria, TB, etc. are indispensable in eliminating dangerous diseases and social evils, which are a blot on the fair name of humanity. These advertisements urge the people to and shoulder their responsibility towards the society. Advertisements raise the standard of living of the people. They provide latest knowledge of a product and even the need of that product in raising the efficiency level of the people. The standard of living of the people is just not from the demand for the necessities of life, but from the comforts and luxuries. These advertisements have made the people choosy in this segment. Now people prefer a better, a healthier and more convenient style of living. People now believe in this idea, work more and spend more. Work more and spend more. They have discarded the idea of working more and saving more, and the idea of hoarding money for the posterity. Now, through these advertisements, they are interested in reaping the crops of their own efforts. We see that in the market when we visit, when a salesman try to sell the things by saying that he is not earning even a single penny from him, then customer is so talented and so intelligent that he already knows that it is he who is not saving even a single penny, but remains you are saving, you are earning, you are remaining saving. So customer is more talented and more intelligent than salesman. By knowledge, by intelligence, by advertisements, work more and spend more. They have discarded the idea of working more and saving more and the idea of hoarding money for the posterity. Now, through these advertisements, they are interested in reaping the crops of their own efforts. Advertisements industry involves millions of the people and billions of dollars. Advertisers are very common in all fields of economy, whether that is of agriculture field, industry, communication, insurance, marketing. All service sector are covered by the advertisers. If there is no advertisement, then there is no buyers and sellers. Then there is no existence of the market without advertisements. It has become very popular in this democratic period. In this democratic time, democracy no doubt is the imitation and copying of advertisements. Advertisers are very common in democracy, like that in all the capitalist countries and in developed countries, advertisers plays a great role in providing the knowledge and information to the spectators, audiences, listeners. So advertisers play a great role in making the nation good or bad. It is one of the richest industries of the world. They give employment to millions of people. They are impetus to the economic development of the economy. They have covered each and every part of human existence, be it commerce, industry, real estate, matrimonial, sports, health, etc. They keep the people alert and excited. They do not allow the industrialist to be slow and lethargic. They are bound to be on their tips and toes for creating the demand, for fulfilling the supplies, and in the economy, advertisers play a great role for enhancing the capacity of the persons to buy and to purchase. In the field of economy, we study that to create the demand and then fulfill the demand. But advertisements have their disadvantages also. The main disadvantage is that they distort and exaggerate reality. They do not expose the realities because of TRP, because they want to be benefited. And not only these, we see there are different products in the market which are the complementary and some are substitutional. If there is no availability of the particular product, then substitute products are available in the market. For example, if there is no Coca-Cola, so in place of Coca-Cola, the customer can buy Thumbs Up, Limca and other cold drinks. Complementary goods are also available and other goods that are available in the market. For promoting them, advertisers play a great role. But here the choice of the customer is not revealed, is not unfolded. They are compelled through the advertisers because customers cannot interact with the advertisers directly. They have to accept, they have to use that product, that particular product which has come in the market through the advertisement. So there are so many chances of the low qualities. For improving the quality of the products, nowadays especially foods and food products that we use in our daily life, that should be qualitative, not the quantitative. For improving the quality of the product equally plays a role in improving the health of the citizen of our country. They popularize poor stuff and thus befool the credulous people. The poor people have to purchase because they are poor not only in knowledge, they are also poor by their economic condition. They are aimed at only, advertisers are only the aim